Dear O. L. Your girlfriend will take a while before she gets over her former boyfriend. Evidently, he was a good lover and he was gifted. But she ought to know that all men are not the same. I believe that you are trying your best, but perhaps it has come to the stage where you and your girlfriend should seek the help of a family counselor. Concerning her sister who wants to come and live with you, I would not recommend that you consent in doing that. It would be better for your girlfriend's sister to find someone who is not related to her and share the space. If your girlfriend continues to insist that her sister should come and live with you, you should tell her that the relationship is over, and you know that nothing is wrong with you. Your girlfriend just wants more of the stuff. So insist that both of you see a family counselor. Pastor.
Guys, never